Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to do a clean install of macOS Tahoe on Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. For performing a clean install of macOS Tahoe on Mac, you'll need a Mac that's compatible with macOS Tahoe, and a macOS Tahoe bootable USB to create the bootable USB for yourself. Follow the guide from iButton. After creating the bootable USB, boot your Mac to the Startup Manager. For booting your Mac to Startup Manager, for Apple Silicon press and hold the power button until you see the Startup option. Now plug the macOS Tahoe bootable USB, if not plugged, and then from the Startup option select Install macOS Beta and click on Continue. Now, if you're greeted with macOS Assistant, close the Install macOS Assistant. Now select Disk Utility, and then erase the main volume with the following parameters. Now, if you're prompted with Erase Mac notification, click on Erase Mac, and then select Erase Mac and Restart. And your Mac will restart. After that, you'll need to activate it. After your Mac is activated again, boot it to the Startup Manager, then proceed with macOS Tahoe Installer. Now select your language and click on the right arrow key to proceed. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to install macOS Tahoe. Here, select the disk you created, and then click on Continue. Keep in mind that during the installation process, your Mac may restart several times, so don't worry about that. And a macOS Tahoe setup screen is here. Set up your Mac according to your preference. And finally, macOS Tahoe Desktop is here, and macOS Tahoe has been successfully installed on Mac. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.